Hello guys, I will show you how to create and use Instagram groups. First of all, open the Instagram app and swipe left and tap this icon on the top right and select the contacts and tap the create group chat. Now the group is created. If you want to give a group name, then tap here and type a group name and the group name is changed. Now tap the group name on the top. Now there are more options. If you want to change your group theme, then tap the theme icon. Now you can see the group theme. If you want to change, then select. If you want to see the group member, then tap the people icon and you can see the member of the group. If you want to make any group admin or remove a user, then tap the three button and tap the admin, or if you want to remove any person, then tap the remove user. The user will be removed.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.